everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Real quick, if you like this look, I do have a tutorial on it. I will link it down below. It ended up being like a completely random tutorial that like deviated from my initial intention, but I did use the Pat McGrath Mothership, I think Subliminal 2 palette. I'm not sure, like they all have weirdly similar names that are not printed on the packaging, but I do really love the way the look turned out. So if you also do, it will be in the description down below for you to check out. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the most out of your concealer with a little trick that I find that a lot of people don't actually know or use. But if you have a wand concealer, I'm talking like the Kat Von D, Too Faced, NARS, like, you know, whatever. As long as you open it up and it has this little stopper in here, which you can't actually see unless you look for it. I'm going to be doing it with the NARS one today because this is one I'm running out of. Let me wipe off the end of it. Okay, so see how right in there, there's like a little thing that you see could potentially come out? Well, it does. And once you remove the stopper, there is like a ton of product. So if you feel like you get down to the very bottom of these and you are almost out of it, you actually have a lot more to go. So what I like to do, you can use like your nail, but I don't like using my nails as tools. So I find that the best thing is just this flat spatula. I use these in my kit, but I get them with the little rectangular metal pallets on Amazon for like $5. But if you have something else like flat and sturdy, by all means use that. But what I do is I wedge, I hope it's focused, I'm sorry if it's not, but see how it's curling up? So I'm going to continue to get it under there and then just kind of wedge it out. So then you can kind of like go around if possible. This one's a little bit trickier, but now that it's kind of wedged up, I'm going to just use my fingers. No, it's got to get wedged up a little bit more. You're not supposed to do this. So the stopper is pretty secure in there, but I swear it comes out. I've done this with NYX concealers, Kat Von D concealers. It should work with any wand concealer. All right, NARS, you're making me look like a fool. Okay. I don't know if I like got confused and actually have never done this with the NARS concealer before, but look what happened. I was trying to like dig it out and it wasn't working. Oh my god, this is a total fail. I guess this concealer actually is garbage now. And I guess you can't do it with the NARS concealers, which makes me so angry. Let's see if you can do it with the Too Faced concealer. Okay, so this is what it looks like before I try and get the thingy out. Now let's see if I can get the thingy out. Okay, so I'm kind of just like spinning it in between the stopper and the plastic. The stopper's like a rubber, by the way, so it's flexible. Oh my god. Okay, it came out. It popped right out. Oh, it just fell. Okay, great. So, see how much concealer is on the back of the stopper? So it came out like this. See how much concealer is on the back? And then inside, there is a ton of concealer right along like this area of the tube that you previously weren't able to get because this was in the way. So, yay. Okay, so you saw my trick now. Unfortunately, it didn't work with the NARS concealer. Let me zoom out. So then you can just go ahead and put the wand back in. So, you know, as far as I know, this trick will work with everything but the NARS Radiant Creamy. So sorry about that fail right there. But anyway, if you do use any wand concealer, I hope that this was helpful for you because makeup is expensive and you really do want to get every last drop of your money's worth out of a product, right? So please go ahead and do that. Do not just throw away your concealers when you think they're done. Thumbs up if you want to see more like beauty hacks, beauty tips kind of thing. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I upload lots of makeup and skincare related content and I would love to see you back. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.